yapping on camera. You got yourself a big gulp. It's hot out here.
It is hot out.
What are we doing here?
We're taking these hood hinges off because I guess we're gonna go without a hood tonight.
I guess so.
It's okay. It's
I mean, I just said we can't really drive it over there with the hood on it, so.
well, the hood's not here, so we can't.
That is also true, but we do know somebody who
Does have the hood?
does have the hood.
It's probably on Fowler.
It could still very well be on Fowler as well.
Or so, are you driving tonight?
I think
Maybe, I don't know.
between him and
I don't really care who drives. I'm just gonna be there. Moral support.
you might drive.
I don't know. I don't know if I can handle the two bag yet.
I don't know.
She's a big old girl. Like, thick with 3 C's. Moving the seat
It's on.
in your race car?
It's on rails. And
I have
eventually
a
I would like
whole lot of legs.
I would eventually like to do it the more correct way at some point. But, and honestly, I really don't like the adjustable rails, but I am going to want to drive them.
See you shortly.
All right.
En a minito.
Alright, we pulled up at the Shell to get some gas. We got a 5-gallon that we're taking with us, and then the car has a 5-gallon tank as well. She did a good job. I'm excited to see how tonight goes.
My thumb strength is not enough. I can't push the little button with my thumb.
Well, I'm really sorry. Then you're not going to be able to drive it. I don't know what the heck to tell you. If you can't get the trunk open.
This will last us till we get to the track?
Yeah, maybe.
Pretty much.
Making sure everything is good to go. And we got Mama B riding Chase. You got me. I don't know what I'm doing. Chilling out, I guess.
We made it. No, I agree.
You think I can make it?
Think what?
That?
Yeah, you're fine. You're good. Just made it to the racetrack. Got here. From what I understand, Rob's gonna make the first rip, and then Gina on the next 2. So it'll be a good day.
Does it matter which way this whole thing is?
No, it's just as long as you do the correct plug wire, it should be numbered on there.
Just make sure you feel the click. That's all.
Yep. If you got to take it off and then put it back on to feel the click, that's okay. I do that all the time.
Come on now.
Good race. Good race.
like Pro Stock Joe.
Yeah, like Pro Stock Joe. Congratulations,
So what
brother.
do I
Thank you.
Good turnout. Yeah, nice. We've been out for 2 weeks. Remember, it rained.
Oh,
And
yeah.
it's summer, so for the turnout, I actually like.
You won't be able to post it, but I bet your track record falls tonight.
Where these guys at?
Oh yeah,
These
right
guys
here.
come, yeah,
If
either
Good
one of
Romero
them.
gets down tonight, that thing rolls, man. That thing.
It
no
hooked
problem.
up until about mid-track.
Okay. Oh, they'll get it figured out. They'll get it figured out. Yeah, Matt's a good tuner.
We'll let that sun go down.
Oh yeah, let the track get a little bit better. It'll come right around.
Good seeing you guys.
Yes, sir. You too, man. You gonna race bare feet? You gonna go bare feet?
I'm going barefoot. Yeah, they call me barefoot Bobby, not barefoot Ronnie.
Barefoot Bonnie. First pass.
Make sure the alternator belt's on.
Is that you?
No.
It wasn't really running like
I
it
could
should.
hear that. I wasn't worried for a second.
So it was hooked as solid as it could possibly be.
Yeah,
but what did it? I mean, what does that say? Like 11 second? What is that?
it was a 1047.
1040.
Well, we're in the lanes. We're in the lanes. What you think?
Hot, sweaty.
Hot, sweaty. You know what's funny is you have the most race car here for the most part. Probably start putting off for sure.
I like to be in it and kind of calming down.
Yes.
I understand. I'm just really hot.
I know.
It's
You may have to help with the strap. You know what I mean?
you feel like do you feel like you're part of the car?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
I'm in. I'm in there like swimwear, baby.
Hell yeah, brother. Look at old Nick out there showing her what's up. Hell yeah, my dude.
Come on, baby.
Hell yeah. Got that first pass blues out of the way.
All right, guys, so a little update on the Too Bad Cat. So we came back from that run and it was cranking really slow. So we looked at the volt gauge and it was only reading 12. So obviously it should say, you know, run around 14, and it's not. So we got a voltage charging issue around somewhere in the car. Honestly, we're just gonna call it a night and go home because we drove the car here and we want to get home. Well, we just put some fuel in it to get home. She's ready. We just finished putting fuel in it.